Many people want to earn $10,000 per month, which is a common desire. For newcomers, it could appear to be an insurmountable endeavor, but with the proper methods and commitment, it is feasible to accomplish this objective. Here are 5 ways novices might earn $10,000 each month. 1. Start a blog. Starting your own blog can be one of the most rewarding ways of making money online. You'll need some basic web design skills in order to create an attractive website, and then you can monetize it by adding ads or affiliate links where appropriate. This will allow you to earn passive income while also providing valuable content for your readership base, as well as potential customers who visit your site regularly looking for new products or services, related topics on which they might want more information about from you. One of the best ways to generate money online is to start a blog. A good blog requires time, commitment, and labor, though. While beginning your own blog to earn money, take into account the following steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. Decide on a niche that interests you or in which you have experience. Cooking, travel, fashion, personal finance, or technology are just a few examples. Step 2. Produce high-quality content. After selecting a niche, consistently produce high-quality content that your readers will find interesting and helpful. This will encourage repeat visitors from a devoted audience. Step 3. Increase traffic. To increase traffic to your blog, promote it using social media, email lists, guest blogging, and online discussion boards. The more readers your blog attracts, the more potential revenue you can make via affiliates, sponsored material, and adverts. Step 4. Monetize your blog. You can monetize your blog by displaying advertisements, collaborating with brands to promote their products, and affiliating with product creators who offer an affiliate program. Step 5. Continue learning and growing. To stay relevant and growing your blog, continue to learn and read about new strategies, trends, and techniques. 2. Write articles, create websites, or create logos from the comfort of your home as a freelancer, earning money when each project is finished and given by clients. Since there is so much work available online today, becoming a freelancer offers excellent opportunities in terms of both money and career advancement. It also enables people with a wide variety of skill sets to find suitable projects that match their level of experience. Being a freelancer is a great way to earn money while carrying out responsibilities. Follow these steps to start a freelance business. Step 1. Recognize your skills. Discovering your talents or what you are good at is the first step. This may include writing, graphic design, web development, social media administration, and other activities. Step 2. Create your portfolio. After determining your skills, create your portfolio. This might be done through independent efforts or collaboration with friends or family. In order to attract clients, you must have a portfolio of your work. Step 3. Choose your services and prices and set your charges in accordance with the services you will provide. Consider whether you will work hourly or on a project basis, as you conduct market research to find out what other freelancers in your sector charge for their services. Step 4. Make a website. Construct a polished website that displays your portfolio and services. Potential clients will find you and be able to assess your work more easily as a result. Step 5. Begin marketing and networking. Begin promoting your services through networking and contacting prospective customers. Participate at trade shows and conferences. Sign up for freelance websites and establish a social media presence to market your skills. Step 6. Produce top-notch work and develop relationships. Once you've attracted your first client, be sure to produce top-notch work within the scheduled time. Your ability to succeed as a freelancer depends on your ability to develop lasting relationships with your clients. Although becoming a freelancer may take some time, you can build a rewarding and successful career as one with enthusiasm, perseverance, and regular effort. 3. Using the dropshipping business strategy. You may sell goods online without maintaining an inventory. For novices, follow these steps to begin dropshipping. Step 1. The first step is to select a niche or a certain product category to sell. This could be anything from electronics to pet supplies to health and cosmetic items. Step 2. Research suppliers. Look up vendors that provide dropshipping services. To identify suppliers, use online stores like Wholesale2, Oberlo, Doba, and AliExpress. Step 3. Select a platform. Decide on a platform where you will sell your goods. To build an online store where you can list and sell things, you can utilize platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Step 4. List products. Once you have identified a vendor and a venue for your products to be sold, list the items in your online shop. Make sure to include top-notch product descriptions, pricing, and photos. Step 5. Promote your products. Promote your products to draw in customers using email marketing, social media, or paid advertising programs like Google AdWords, Facebook ads, or Instagram ads. Step 6. Process orders and ship products. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer after they place an order at your online store. Bulk shipping and inventory are taken care of. Step 7. Analyze and improve your sales. To boost your conversion rates and boost your profits, analyze your sales and improve your product offerings. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business strategy where you market other people's goods and get paid for each sale that results from your referral. For beginners, follow these steps to get started with affiliate marketing. Step 1. The first step is to decide on a market niche or a specific product category to advertise. This could include things for your pets, clothes, or your health and fitness. Step 2. Discover affiliate programs. Research affiliate programs that are pertinent to your niche to find them. There are numerous well-known affiliate networks, including ShareASale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. Step 3. Establish a website or blog. Establish a website or blog where you can post articles and advertise affiliate goods. You can utilize platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix to build a website. Step 4. Produce top-notch content. Produce top-notch content that draws readers and increases traffic to your website or blog. Concentrate on producing instructional and useful information that aids in problem or question solving for your viewers. Step 5. Promote affiliate products by incorporating affiliate links and banners into your content. A disclaimer or disclosure statement outlining your affiliate association should be included. Step 6. Increase your audience. Increase your audience by using social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to promote your content. The more people you can direct to your website or blog, the greater the potential revenue. 5. YouTube. Creating material you enjoy and making money online can both be accomplished by starting a YouTube channel. The following are the measures to launch a profitable YouTube channel. Pick a niche. Get started by selecting a niche that interests you and that you believe will be well-liked by viewers. This might include cooking, beauty, or gaming, among other things. Create your channel. Log into YouTube using your Google account. Click on the user icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. To set up your channel, adhere to the instructions. Produce high-quality videos. Spend money on a good camera and microphone to produce videos that have good lighting and sound. Your videos ought to be fascinating, instructive, and compelling. Make your videos search engine friendly by including pertinent keywords in the title, description, and tags of each video. Your videos will rank more highly as a consequence in YouTube search results. Promote your videos. To increase views and subscribers, promote your videos on social media sites like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Engage your audience in conversation and respond to their comments. Make money from your channel. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start making money from your channel. Then, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and get money from advertisements. If you want to know more about how to make money on YouTube, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.